Meaning of established.
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 Established. The term established refers to something that has been put in place and made official or recognized. When something is established, it is considered to be stable, reliable, and well respected. The establishment of an organization, business, or government is an indication that it has been set up with a solid foundation and clear objectives. The result of being established is a sense of security and legitimacy, which can enhance its standing in the eyes of both its members and the public. In summary, being established means having a solid and trusted reputation.